The Bike Friday All Packa on some single tracks. We will see how it does. I haven't really ridden mountain bikes in quite a while. Last bike was a hardtail, a long time ago. I've got some Schwalbe Marathon 365s mounted here, front and rear, 2.4 inches. I just want to see what the limits of this bike are, or they are probably higher than my own limits, so just want to play. How about that?